Hi boys and girls, you remember I read you this book, Bread Comes to Life? And in the story we saw the yeast getting mixed with honey or sugar and water, and that's what gets our bread to rise. Well, now we're going to do a science experiment. So if you want, you can get these ingredients with your parents' help to do this experiment at home. So what you need is a water bottle. You need yeast, 2 tablespoons of yeast. You need a cup. You need warm water, about 3 tablespoons of warm water. And you could also fill up a bowl with warm water, and you also need sugar. And in this cup, I mixed some warm water, yeast, and a tablespoon of sugar. So you need 2 tablespoons of yeast, 3 tablespoons of warm water, and a tablespoon of sugar. Put that in a cup, mix it together, and then you're going to pour it into the water bottle, which is what I'm doing. You wait a couple of minutes because you want to see those bubbles. Okay, that means the yeast is working. You're going to pour it inside this cup. And when it's all poured inside the cup, into the bottle, you're going to use, you want to get it all in there. And if you have a funnel at home, you could pour it in with a funnel, or you could just take the cup like I did and squeeze it so that you can pour all the yeast mixture in here. And then you're going to take a balloon and you're going to put the balloon over the bottle of water. And we want to see what's going to happen. If we leave it in here and we put the bottle in the warm water, we want to see what's going to happen to the balloon. Will it inflate? Will it blow up? Or will it stay the same? And we're going to watch and see what happens. This is after a couple of minutes of staying inside the warm water, and all the yeast, if you look closely, you see all the bubbles. So let's explain how this happened. Look what happened, everybody. The balloon is inflating. It's blowing up. How does that happen? The bubbles that we see over here are little tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide, which is a gas that the yeast was producing as it's eating up the sugar. It makes this gas. And in order for the yeast to work, you need that warm water. We left it on the table for a couple of minutes, and we see the balloon is getting bigger and bigger even as we speak. And at home, if you want to do this, you could also leave it in your bowl of warm water for a while, and the more you leave it, the bigger your balloon is going to get. Why does that happen? Because as the yeast continues reacting, it's converting more and more sugar into carbon dioxide, and that gas is trapped inside the balloon until it reaches its full size. And this is how the yeast inflates your balloon.